Hi everyone, my name is Leanne Daltrey and I'm your instructor for Bio 111 online this summer. I want to start out by showing you how to access your textbook. You may order a hard copy if you would like. We have those in our bookstore, or you may order a hard copy online. But your first step is to go to www.openstax.org. And then once you get to that page, you're going to choose under subjects, you're going to choose science, and then you're going to scroll down. There are two biology textbooks. We're using the Biology 2E or second edition. Under that, you have many options for accessing your book. Um, you can look at view the table of contents if you would like. You can just click view online. I would recommend downloading a PDF copy, which I have done, and that way you can get to it really quickly. You can also order a print copy, which is around $50, and you can also get a print copy or a hard copy of the book in the school bookstore, in the campus bookstore. You can download on iBooks or Kindle, and you can read on check. So there's all these options for your textbook, and almost all of those options are free. Um, the If you do want to get the hard copy, it's only $50, and some students just do better with having a book instead of reading it online. And if you're planning to also take Bio 112, then it's a really good option because the book covers both Bio 111 and Bio 112. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my copy that I have already downloaded. One day I will organize my folders. But anyway, this is my copy, and let me go back to page 1 so you can see what it looks like. This is what it's going to look like when it comes up. It's just a very boring page 1 cover page. And then you can just hit the down arrow until you get to the table of contents. And your first few chapters are listed here. We'll be covering chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then we will skip around some um, all the way to chapter 20. Chapter 20 will be our last chapter. But you can click on chapter 1, it'll take you directly to chapter 1, and you just go through and read it, and this will give you the information that you need to do your quizzes, which will help prepare you for your exam.